Welcome to this week's 52 Circles, and our prompt is rust. Rust dyeing is a new technique to me, and it was certainly a case of trial and error. Starting with your base fabric, which is soaked in water to make it extra absorbent. I've got some rusty bits of metal, some vinegar, and a container to keep it all together in whilst it's dyeing. So soaking the metal objects in vinegar and pressing those down into the surface of the fabric, which I'm storing in my plastic tub. I've got some pieces of sari silk, which I'm just adding to the mix, and they in fact turned out to be the most successful pieces of fabric from this exercise. I'm pressing it down, making sure there's really good contact between the fabric and the metal. Putting my extra piece of rusty metal on top, and then putting a final bit of calico on top of that, adding a bit of vinegar just to make sure that it continues to rust and react with the fabric, and weighting it down with a rock. I then had to leave it for a good 24 hours before it started to react onto the material. And you can see here that I think the most interesting pieces are the pieces of sari silk. I've just dried this off in between two pieces of calico, and I've added a bit of seed stitching in a contrasting thread to finish off the sample. So here's my finished result. I really look forward to seeing yours. Don't forget to share with the hashtag 52Circles.